Hello everyone, and we are back with Stray. So this is where we last left off, on the bed in the, I think the chapter's called The Flat. So let's begin this journey. I lowered my graphics down to low because, as you probably saw from the previous, the first part, it was quite juttery, so I'm hoping that it's not so juttery now that I've lowered the graphics on the game, so yeah. I did not want to jump all the way over there, but we did. Okay, thanks, game. Okay, alrighty. Can we go on the toilet? Don't know why that's a question. Alrighty. We can mark our territory again. I mean, not really. We're just sharpening our claws so we can fight back on danger. When really we didn't. We just ran away and I failed miserably so many times. Can I knock it over? Yes, I can. Destruction. As one mischievous ginger cat does. I didn't even see the camera eye. Need help. Do I type in yes? No? Oh. I'm a smart kitty. Oh. Let's get that close up on the kitty. That's so cute. I like the music in here, it's quite nice. Sorry, what? Just got locked in. The camera. I'm doing something with cable management, I'm guessing, because there's plugs. Binary. Binary? I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. I don't know. I suck at meth. High five nod. I didn't see that one over there. Do I just shove random ones in random plugs? I had a top hat on it. Give me that. Stolen. Hey, there's a waving kitty up there. And the other one is... Oof. Go on. Thank you. And yeet. There's another camera too down there. Just saw that. I did it! I'm smart! I like these type of puzzle games. Although I'm picky when it comes to games anyways. That case is not terrifying at all. I don't like them. Off with his head, I guess? I am a naughty cat. Oh, okay, I move. No, I'm constipated. Do I give it to you? What do I do with it? Is there something I'm missing? What is it? Hang on, let me have a look what it is, because I don't know what it is. What the fuck is that? Do I give it to you? I can't meow with food in my mouth. Does it say anything, or is that just... Help. Never mind. I'll put it in here. Oh, is it my little buddy? Maybe. It's a big antenna. Oh, yeah, it is. It's B12. And he died. Not really. See, I pay attention to the trailer, even though I watched it a bit ago. Meow. Can't meow in the cutscenes. Just bap it. Oh, he died again. The kitty's purring. Yay. Excuse me. It worked. I'm free. Thank you. I couldn't believe the cameras. A cat in the dead city. I can't remember my name. It seems my memory is corrupted. I've been trapped in the electronic network for so long. I know I worked for a scientist who lived here. For now you can call me B12. That's what it says on my exterior. Apologies if my reading is quite slow and sloppy, because I don't tend to read many things when playing games, or play games that have many subtitles, so yeah. It's dangerous in the dead city, but you seem like you know to handle yourself. Let's get out of here. Follow me. Oh, that's a weird ending. Tab. That key unlocks the door. I remember that much. Let me get that for you. Oh, I don't like how end is tab. Very good. Very good, very good. Low battery already. Come over here. I'm not gonna read that like that. Get over here. You're going to have to put this on. A fucking kitty backpack. The squat. Ah, yes, how every cat reacts when getting a harness or something on them. Oh, okay, I thought I was like, okay, yeah, the cat doesn't like it. They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to get me riding dirty. Look at that rook. Oh, and plonk. You do not like it, little Gingy. So I'm naming the cat after my nickname, Gingy. I don't know if that's supposed to be what I'm doing, is walking around with this thing on or not, but I'm here for it. Oh, there we go again. Just... Backpack was designed for small Okay, don't need to put the hard words in, please. Come on. Quadrupes? You know what? If you know how to say the word, you read it. It's there. Like, is this comfortable for you? Is this comfortable for you? Don't worry, you'll get used to it. I've digitalized the key and stored it in the backpack. Thank you. Press tab to open inventory. Oh, nice. Switch categories. Right. Okay. Let's just examine it. Rotate item. Cool. Gotta get used to these keys and tab the key. Easy. If you're curious about an object, you can show it to me. Or to others, if we come across any. Or to my viewers. Now let's get out of this flat. Yes, B12. It's like saying the bananas in pajamas. But it's just, and like they missed 3 to 11. Translate. It's an engineering degree. It belonged to the scientist I worked for. Oh, nice, nice. Can I don't think I can get out this way. Up there. Maybe? Look, buddy, I don't know what I'm doing. You're gonna have to... Never mind. I found it. Yes. I smart. Press 2 to use the torchlight. Oh. Oh my god, yes. It's like that one cat meme. Well, not really a meme, but it was on TikTok with the cat playing the piano. Got stuck. He or she, we don't know. Alright, enough of that. We don't want to spend too much bragging around. Oh, this game's so fascinating. Oh. Can I use my actual numbers, or do I have to actually... Dang it. Worth a try. Alright. We'll have to probably try and find the code in here, maybe. Most likely. Oh, code 3 plus 48. Oh, never mind. It's not 3 plus 48. It's 3748. I haven't got my glasses on because I can't wear them with my headphones. 37, 48. I'm surprised I remember that. I'm bad at remembering stuff. Oh, and our fancy kitty. I push those double doors open. French doors, I'm pretty sure they call it that. Wow, look at this place. That elevator in the distance, that's important, I think. I know we need to go up. Wow. Oh. Away we go! Whee! Oh, I'm such a cute kitty. Oh my god, mouse, chill. Jesus, my mouse sensitivity on that thing. Oh, okay, that's very weird stars. Can my mouse stop doing what it's doing? Oh, okay, bye bucket. Alrighty, cutscene time. Wait, I remember the outside. Feels like I've been there before. Is this where you came from? Well, not the beach, but similar. I promised someone I would go there. Promised who? Your mum, sorry. His postcard. The moral was painted from it. Let's take it. Gain new item. Nice. Why do I have these memories? How did they get here? Let's keep going. I don't know, you're asking me. I ain't no expert. Memory recovered. 3%. Nice. Let's go on an adventure. That looks horrifying. Right. Can I move that? Spill it even? No? Alright, cool. Another bucket ride. It's like it's made for me. I don't want to do any more running. just gonna run anyways. The slums. There's a robot. Don't kill me. Never mind, you're running away from me. It's okay. Why'd you do that for? I'm not evil. That's rude. I'm just a cat. Come on. Shouldn't the cat be more afraid of the robot? Oh, never mind. My mouse did a fucky wucky. No one loves me. How could you not? How could you be scared of that? Like, it's adorable. The robot's gonna close. He looks quite cool. Please don't hurt me though. See, how could you not like that? Besides from the eyes, that's probably why they're quite terrified. Okay. They seem to have their own language. Not Zerk. We're not familiar with your kind. You are welcome in our village as long as you don't eat anyone. I'm pretty sure cats do not eat metal. They eat fish, chicken, any kind of meat. Mine licks my feet. So yeah. Don't ask. He's cool. I like his style. He's cute with his little face too. His little mushroom hat. Did you just summon a demon? Nah. See, we're friendly. You forgot to set your clock. They are so cool, these little robots in their outfits. Oh, this game brings me so much joy, and I've only just started playing it. You look lost. What do you need? This picture of the outside, ridiculous. Oh, a picture of the outside, ridiculous. This elevator is operational. Everyone knows that it is impossible to leave this place well except the outsiders. But they're all gone now except Momo. Momo as in like the whole creepy chicken lady thingy. You can try to talk with him if you want, but he gave up on trying to leave. It's for the best. He lives high up in that building with the orange neon sign. Nice. Press 1 to ask for B2's help. Okay. So he has to call me anytime. I'm here to help. The Guardian told us to talk to Momo up in the big building with the orange neon sign. He's the only lead we've got for getting out of here. That's why I hate public reading. Oh, look at them. Oh, they're sleeping. Oh, I don't want to disturb them. Wake him up. Oh, That's so cute. You gave us such a fright, I thought you were Zerk. Who the fuck's Zerk, and should I be worried? You're Jordas. Hey. Do you want to be spoken to? Or... I really thought you'd take the overlay. I've never seen that thing work, and I'll be 374 years old tomorrow. Well, happy birthday for tomorrow, Ronan. What if I show the item? It's a beautiful dream. What a shame it's just a dream. Aw, poor Ronan. I go out there, there's nothing there. I think Mama has some pictures just like this. Did you show it to him? Well, not yet. But I will probably later. After I finish, like, talking to you guys. Oh, please don't interrupt my meditation. Strange images. Sorry. Didn't mean to. I thought you were sleeping, not meditating. Can I, talk to you again? Give us a phone for you a sec. Oh, very pretty. Alrighty. Now to get up there. Right. Meow. Oh, hello. Oh, this is cute. Careful, I need to focus. Don't want to drop another bucket. Can I just watch them? Oh. Oops. Sorry. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Oops. Sorry. Oh no, not again. I'm not gonna push your paint cans over because I feel bad. Although a little part of me inside wants to knock them over. Can I? Okay, never mind, I can't. So it's good then. Because I probably would have. Did I just hear? Or was it just you? So I need up there. Can I? I can't. Can't go on that. I need to go to the yellow sign. There's a bucket over there. Maybe I need to go over that direction. But that bucket is up there. That can't climb on. Maybe if we go this way instead. Oh shit, fuck. Meow. sad because he's TV. It's never gonna work. Why don't I let him go? Let them go. I'm all alone now. Hey, you, what do you want? This is the picture there. So, do you want to go there? Oh, don't bother. It's a waste of time. It'll bring you only loneliness and despair. A friend had this dream too, but now they're gone and I'm all alone. I don't know where they ended up. I tried to contact them, but that severe doesn't work. I'm pretty sure. I'm not too. I don't know. My friend and I took notes of our research about the outside. Here, take mine if you really want to go out there. You're on your own. I'm done with the outside. Good luck. Oh, fuck you. Momo seems very sad. He misses his friends. Let me check the notebook he gave us. Yeah. Oh, okay. How do I go up or down? Can I go up? Somehow? This button? Okay, I found it. The outside is manifesto. Brain doesn't want to work. We must go outside. We must go outside at any cost. We must protect our brothers and sisters. We must stay away from Zergs. What is Zergs? Just sign Clementine, the Bell Pal Tars, Doc, and Momo. It looks like Momo's name was added there later. I think we should find the other notebooks. Okay. Outsiders. That portrait. Oh, up there. Looks like Medic from Team Fortress. I don't like how it's gone blurry. It's a cow. Moo. Oh, he looks so sad. Wow, okay. The city has a cylindrical shape of about 450 meters in diameter. There's a level above ours. The city seems to have a ceiling, if I believe my books. Big blue sky is hidden behind. Cool. Must be his friends. Friend? Money. Oh my god. Oh, the controls are reversed. The controls are reversed when you've got the bag on your head. That is adorable. Can I get the bag off, or am I just stuck with the bag on? Okay, never mind, it came off. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and fifth largest in the solar system, mass and diameter. It is only cis object. According to Earth is old and has a single. Meow, yeah. Cool. Didn't need to learn history or geometry or whatever you call it. Back home. Did I? Back home too? Oh, back home too. I remember this video. Oh, it's a video game. Okay, I thought it was a movie. It was made just after I was created, I think. I can't remember it well. Scientist and I spent a lot of time playing it. It was fun. I miss him. I can't remember his name. Oh, 7%. Nice. I didn't want to go under the bed. I want to go on the bed. Problem. He has a lot of outside stuff. He has that same picture. I like the light up cone. let's find the other three and help find information on the outside. We have to look in the abandoned flats of the area. We should be able to see them from the rooftops. Looking in. Alright, cool. We've had enough exploration in here. The symbol on the wall matches the one on the notebook. Okay. Oh, okay, okay, over there. Seems like a lead. Let's go! Knock knock, Gingy Mingy's coming to invade your home. Oh god. If I fit, I sit. Deep fryer. Haha, I stole the item. Oh, that's it. Oh yes. Okay, I wanted to... How do I look at my inventory again? Okay, here it is. Oh, it's a music sheet. Okay, well, they said that, but alright. I didn't know. Yeah, so neighbours, it seemed like it's my maker, but this one seems to be some name Clementine. Everything's going according to plan. Alright. Everything's going according to plan. We managed to contact the upper level before the Transevera went down. They're in a place called Midtown, and apparently it's controlled by some kind of oppressive force. I talked to him about it earlier, his eyes. I know this look, he will not come with us. Let's find the other notebooks. Alrighty. Oops. Shouldn't have put them on the windowsill. That sound at the door. Probably nothing. Someone's whistling. Alright, where am I going now? I see notebooks, only 2 to go. We have to look in the bed and flats area should be able to see from the rooftops for an outside logo. Okay. Is that one? There's a dude down there. Hey, see, you look weird and small, but there's something about you. I feel completed. I don't know, to pee, but I won't because I don't understand why. As I go on the outside, they were a group of looking for the service. Mummy was one of them. One day they decided to put their plan into action and went into the sewers. Sadly, not a peep from them since. For some reason, Momo stayed behind. I think he always regretted that decision. Poor guy. I also just didn't even read that. But if you wanted to read that, you can pause it if you want. Hey dog, I found the keys to your safe. You need to be more careful with these. It's not enough to bury your safe behind a bunch of books. Just a librarian. Can I not? Okay. Destruction. I found it. Nice work, another notebook. This one seems to belong to someone named Dot. After weeks of research, I've combined a spectrometer with a full powerful UV lamp. With this, we should be capable of warning of the Zergs on our way out. The initial attempt was explosive. I might have to test it under real conditions. Let's find the other notebooks. Alrighty, I'm going to end this part here, as once again it's taking a little bit too long. This one was a bit longer because, you know, trying to find the notebook. I will continue this series in the next part, so hope you enjoyed this series. Please like, subscribe and comment, share, whatever you want to do if you like the video, and I will see you in the next part. Adios.